Burgers actually was auctioned off, and Scott Daly picked up BG Burgers. And so it was already established here. Didn't really have a good repertoire, but he picked it up, had a mindset of what he wanted to create. And then I literally came into the picture halfway through, about 6 months into it. We kind of had the same mindset and making things better, more fresh, better than most people that you can get around here. Rather than going to McDonald's or something fast food, you can get something that's more hand-pattied and love put into it, and that's what we like to do. So we started changing everything from that we originally had from BG Burgers. What we're trying to do is simple, obviously, and make it perfect simple. But at the same time, expanding our menu, we need that creativity. We've got a couple on our staff that definitely meet that criteria, and self included. I'm not saying burgers is too easy, but it's pretty easy to screw up a burger. So complementing, heat and acid and salt and all that just onto a burger itself can get a little bit complicated. You just don't want to slap a bunch of stuff together and say, "Hey, here we go." So there is a little bit of chemistry. There's a little bit of creativity behind mine, especially here. It's not just me. I got a whole staff that has creative minds, and we all come up with this stuff together.